Yeah. This is it. All right, what's good with y'all, YouTube? It's your boy J-Roach back again with another video, and I'm finna teach y'all how to make a 2000s R&B beat with your own vocals from scratch, man. Stop playing with us. From scratch, bro. From scratch. Yes, bro, from scratch. Nah, but I'm gonna teach y'all how to make like a 2000s R&B type of beat. I want it to be a guitar type of beat, and I want to use like a vocal sample. And shout out to Audimee for sponsoring this video. So I'm gonna record my vocals and use Audimee to actually convert those into an AI generated vocal that's gonna sound way better to me. Cause one, you know, hey, y'all know I can sing. But two, I mean, I'm a little under the weather. You know what I'm saying? You can hear it in the voice, you feel me? So it might not be the best, and I know Audimee is gonna get us right. So let's get into this video. All right, so first what I'm gonna do is I need to make a melody to feel out what I'm gonna say in these vocals that I'm gonna use with Audimee, but I already know I got some fire lyrics. So we're gonna figure out what exactly kind of melody I'm trying to make. I know it's gonna start with a guitar, and we're gonna build from there, and then I know I'm gonna get some vocals, so let's get it. So I'm gonna open up a plugin so that I can figure out what kind of guitar that I actually want to do. Let's start with something like mad simple. Hold up. I think I'm here. I think I'm hearing something. Maybe we're hearing something. Ooh, all right, we're cooking. All right, so we got this little cool bar loop. I'm gonna make it an 8 bar so that we can have some more room to play. I think I might change the BPM, but we're gonna figure that out. So next, I think I'm going to add like a piano. So we're in C# minor, so I'm gonna go into here and I'm going to go to scale highlighting. I'm gonna go to minor natural Aeolian, and I'm gonna go back into this little drop down menu. I'm gonna go to view, and then I'm gonna go to scale highlighting, and then I'm gonna go to C# minor. So simple. So let's actually figure out what we wanna do. So we're gonna start on C. Bring it down an octave. We are cooking, bro. We are cooking. Hold up. All right, so I'm going to, so I strummed them. I'm gonna randomize the velocity and the panning so it sounds a little bit realistic. Hit option R, you know what I'm saying? So I like what we're doing right now. Let's figure out some vocals to do. So I'm gonna realistically, like I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna work so well you can use your phone. So I am just gonna use my voice memos and we're gonna figure out what we wanna say. I'm thinking like,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's figure out what we about to say, and I'm just gonna keep playing this. So I'm about to finish this beat. I'm about to use Audimee. I'm actually about to record some new vocals. I have my my actual mic out here, so we're gonna record something as well. And I think I might have had some. So let's figure it out, bro. I don't want to go. So we can try to do something like that. I think my mic is on. Let's actually just loop it and just try to figure out, because I don't want to go was really what I wanted to do, but we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. Let's just do that. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go. Yeah, let's do that. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna go. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna isolate this vocal. We're gonna record this vocal. Hit Alt R or Option R on a Mac, which I'm on Mac, and yeah, that should be it. All right, so let's head over to Audimee, and we're going to actually drop our vocals that we've just recorded. Audimee has a lot of different vocals that we can switch it to, so I'm gonna do more of an R&B. They have a lot of tags here. They have female, male vocals. They have bass, low, very high range, different ranges, and they also have instruments here too as well, too, you can like play with. But right now, I'm just gonna do the royalty-free voices, and I think I'm gonna do R&B, and I'm gonna do a male. And I want to try to see what I want to do. Maybe like, let's see what time is. Something's got a hold on me late. Yeah, I feel like that's like too like Sam, what's that? Sam, it's like Sam Smith. Like, what, is that the right person? I don't know. When I'm gonna stand up, save my people with me. That's fire. That's fire. I'm gonna keep that in the tuck. Maybe I'm gonna favorite it because you can favorite all your stuff, keep them in the tuck. You know what I mean? So I feel like Julian's pop. Let's do R&B. You Godspeed. I let go of my claim. All right, we found two favorites real fast. So I'm just gonna try Leo. Let's try Leo real fast. So I'm gonna click Leo, but I showed you already before where I can do the pitch editor with my old clip. But now we're just gonna do the conversion strength. I'm gonna do 80. Let's see what that's talking about. I'm gonna remove the noise, see what it's talking about, and convert. All right, bet. So now it's converted. So now we can see what it sounds like. Let's hope I don't sound terrible. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. That's like low. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna go. Hey. I'm not gonna lie. That's low key fire. So I'm gonna download this real quick, and I'm not even gonna use the pitch editor. And we're gonna drag this into FL Studio. So right now, I'm gonna unlock all these tracks, and it should be the same. I don't wanna go. I'm gonna add a lot of reverb to it. Let's just add reverb. Go. I don't wanna go. I'm adding EQ as well. Shout out Audimee, man. Shout out Audimee, man. Hey, if you guys are liking this plugin, make sure you guys click the link in the description to sign up with my link. That would be much appreciated. But yes, you guys will get a nice little subscription. And bro, this is fire. You can literally sing and sound like any. You can sound like anybody, bro. Like, you seen what I just did. Added a love filter, and here's what we got. Here's what we got, bro. Yeah. Wait for it. Yeah. This is it. So I added a little bass line, and the bass line was mad cool. Yeah. And so before I add anything, I added two hi-hats. So one hi-hat, both of them are each 4-step. So if you right click it, I did each 4-step. I made them go on offset each other. So it sounds like this. And then I did a 2-step. Yeah, we going for 2000s. I told y'all we going for 2000s. So like, then I got my open hat. So That's where we at, bro. Guys, I'm about to really go crazy and really don't mind me. I'm actually just about to feel this beat out and cook it. So I'm about to get a bunch of like snares and fill it out. I need some else. I need something else. And then at this is the trick. At the last 8 bar, we gonna spice it up. We're gonna put another snare in there. Hold up, let's go. Let's put this. All right, and I think one of the last things we gotta do right now is just add a little kick. And I like this R&B kick in my drum kit, so we're gonna do that. And we are also going to probably add a little 808, maybe. All right, so let's record a little kick in here, and we're gonna make sure it's like on that 2000s vibe. Hold up. Yeah. Let's zoom in. Let's see if we got it. So now we got this basis. I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna go a little crazy because I got about 5 minutes left in my tank. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna add a little triangle real quick before I add something to the melody. All right. I'm just about to play around with the keys. I'll play around with the keys. I'm about to play around with the keys, and we're just gonna record something, and that's gonna be that. Because I'm gonna keep maxing, and it's gonna be nuts. Mess up at the end, but the beginning is fire. Let's see it. Oh my gosh. Hey man. I can't say too much. I'm gonna arrange this beat. I'm done with it, man. Shout out to Audimee. If y'all want to tap into Audimee, link is in the description. Y'all get a nice little subscription down below. Hey, we made a fire beat. Let me know what y'all think about this beat in the description or in the comments. Like, comment, share. Appreciate y'all. Peace.